Hello, I'm Chris Hell with Crane Connectivity Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to install Cora, our next generation telemeter. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install both the antenna and the telemeter. Cora will come packaged like this. The MDB and the DEX cable will already come connected. Let's get started with installing the antenna. For the best performance, you want to make sure to place the antenna as far as possible from interfering sources like ballast and transformers, as well as free from interference of machine components and cables. On this machine, I've determined this is the best location. Once you identify the ideal mounting location, you will want to make sure the machine is turned off. You should clean the machine surface around where the 4G antenna will be installed using the wipes provided. You will need a 5/8 inch hole through the top of the vending machine to install the antenna. If your machine already has a hole, you don't need to drill a new one, just widen it to make it 5/8 of an inch. Now you want to thread the nut and washer onto the antenna cable. Then insert the cable into the blue connector. After that, insert the locking tab into the connector and press the tab down to lock the cable in place. Then plug the assembled 4G connector into the Cora telemeter like this. Now it's time to install the telemeter. Remove any dirt or dust from the installation area and notice the unit is attached to the vendor with magnets. And connect the MDB harness from the Cora to both connectors like this. You will need to connect all the harnesses as shown in the diagram and keep in mind that each connector only matches its appropriate outlet. Please ensure the connection from the MDB harness to the VMC must be the first one in line or closest to the board, then all other MDB peripherals ending with the coin mechanism. Next, locate the DEX socket coming from the VMC and plug the male DEX plug from the Cora to this connector. Install the bill validator with a CCS 4-in-1 plus bezel. Connect the harness from the cashless bezel to the connector on the side of the Cora, as seen here. Dress the harnesses so there is no stress placed on any of the connections and secure with a zip tie. Finally, restore power to the machine. Allow at least 3 minutes for Cora to complete the assignment process. This can be monitored on the cashless bezel display. That's it.